what you're on my mind.
Well, what about your families, guys?
My family lives in Seoul and has restaurants. It's family business.
And of course they sell kimchi.
Not only kimchi, there are many different dishes in our place. I like Korea.
But how can you eat only vegetables? I cannot live without meat. Мясо.
Dasha from Russia. Do you like Dasha?
Oh, what is kasha?
Well, you take buckwheat or rice and boil it with meat and other ingredients.
What? It is very cold in Russia, so people need to eat much meat. I like meat too.
Humans, you are strange. You need to eat to live. I need only electricity.
By the way, Bill, do you have a family?
It is a very personal question.
Come on, Blender. We are friends now, remember?
I do not understand this word. Well, I do not have a real family. There is a person whom I call a father. I do not have a mother. I have many brothers and sisters. They help all people in the world.
It's so sad. Well, my mother and father work in the family restaurants, and my elder brother works in a big Korean company. He is very smart. Tell about your families, guys.
I am a middle child in a family. I have elder and younger brothers. My elder brother is a military man. My younger brother is a teacher. My father is a military man too, and mother works in a hospital. She is a doctor.
All serious Russian men are military. As for my family, I don't have brothers or sisters. My parents have a small business. They sell candles.
Humans, why do you need candles? You have electricity. It is enough.
Candles are so romantic, Blender. You're really a robot.
Yes, I am a robot. Humans, you are strange. I know that people have some fluffy balls in their houses. Why do you keep these balls there?
Fluffy balls? Do you mean pets?